first video. Roll the intro. God, that's a pathetic intro. I promise you guys we'll fix it. So we're gonna try to do this a little bit better. This is the first video and all, but I just wanted to show you how amazing my little city is. This is Photos with Yanni. Welcome. Just look at this beauty out there. We're gonna go ahead and take some shots of that. That little boat. We're gonna make that sky really pop out. And we're gonna use a couple of tricks. Little trip out today, and we're just gonna go out and take some shots. I haven't been out all week. I've been very busy, but my name is Yanni and I'm an amateur photographer, aspiring photographer rather. So the purpose of this channel is everything that I know, I'm gonna show you. I'm shooting with a Canon T7 Rebel, basic kit lens, so everything that you see here can be duplicated. Hope you enjoy it. And we're also gonna talk about how to take pictures of the moon. It's really important to take pictures of the moon because it's right up there. It's a very easy target. And honestly, you can get some really good results just with your kit lens. So stay tuned. So that bridge shot was actually pretty sweet. But you know what was even better? That thing back there. We're gonna take some shots of it. Traveling around North Carolina, the good thing about it is that you can always find stuff to shoot. Everywhere. Look at this amazing nature. Look at that awesome sky too. This sky is just incredible. I'm thinking 1855 or 75-300. I could do with the compression. Let's try it. So I'm a landscape photographer by definition, and I aspire to be anyway. So when I see stuff like that on the side of the road here in North Carolina, I just gotta go out and shoot it. And look at the sky again. How can you not love this sky? For a shot like this, I'm probably gonna keep my aperture high, around f8 to f11. It's not too bright, terribly bright, so I can get away with a little bit better shutter speed and just ISO 100. Now, we also said we're gonna talk about how to shoot the moon. The main thing about shooting the moon is that you definitely need a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, your shots are gonna be very blurry. You're gonna keep the ISO at about 100, and then your aperture and your shutter speed will vary. Those are values we'll get to later about how to do them and whatnot and what they mean. I'll do some more videos on those. But general, by definition, you get your 75-300 lens, or it doesn't matter whatever telephoto lens you have. You set up your ISO to 100, your shutter speed anywhere from 160 to 1 to 100, and then your aperture anywhere between wide open and f11. You can see on the live view screen how bright or non-bright the moon looks. So you set up your remote trigger and your camera on the tripod. Then you manually focus. You want to use your live view screen of your camera to see how sharp or blurry it is. You focus on the moon. Don't worry about cropping. We'll get to that later. And you manually adjust the focus ring. When you think it's sharp, step back. Set up either a 2 or a 10-second delay and snap. Again, ISO 100, shutter speed anywhere from 1/60 to 1/100, and your aperture can be wide open or f8, even f11. This moonshot, yeah, that one, was done just using those settings. You start by shooting the moon, you're gonna see that your confidence is gonna start blowing up, and then you can move to other things. Landscapes. Photography is a game of practice. The more you practice, the better you become at it. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I want to take you with me to this photographic journey. Let's go shoot something else. I'm actually glad I got an all-wheel drive car. Yeah, the situations that I put myself in. Whew, I ended up using the 1855 lens for that one. I think it turned out okay. We'll see how it's gonna turn out in post. I'll put it up there. If you like what you see, follow me, leave a link. Let's help this channel grow with all of us. This is going to be a fun photographic journey, and I want to take you with me. Whatever I learn, I'll be more than happy to share. Oh, and my presets, I always give those away for free. Link below. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm afraid, but I wouldn't go in there. That house gave me the creeps. Anyway, something else to consider. After you drop your moon image into your processing software, always shoot raw, by the way. Temper with it a little bit in Lightroom. Some dehaze, some clarity, you know, check the white balance. I can do a video below and show you how I do my processing. If you're interested, drop a comment. So basically, the most important thing to remember in photography is that you will make mistakes. Make those mistakes. That's how you learn. That's how I'm still learning. That's how everybody's still learning. And you know what? The more mistakes you make, the more you're gonna learn. Below, you're gonna see some links also of some of the people that have influenced me in my photographic journey. Show them some love. Why not? And now this trip is almost coming to an end, this little road trip. So all my photos are gonna be posted on my Instagram, link below. Again, like the channel if you like it. Leave a comment, that's how we're gonna help grow. We're also launching another channel as well. The link is gonna be on that one below as well. That's for mostly international news and whatnot. But welcome to Photos with Yanni, and I hope you enjoyed. And yes, there is an accent. Sorry, if you can't understand, can always put subtitles. Yeah, that's gonna happen.